Welcome back to sleeperbbq. Today I feel like some grilled hot dogs. So we're going to grill some hot dogs. Not just grilling hot dogs. We're going to use Nathans Clausal beef hot dogs. And I'm going to roast up some Poblanos. I'm going to cook some jalapeno bacon. I'm going to use some cream cheese. Maybe some spring onions. And I'm going to top it off with a bourbon bacon relish. So stay tuned. We'll bring you right back. Alright, let's make us some of these hot dogs I've been craving for. So as you can see, I've got a Poblano that I roasted on the Weber. I'm going to just smear some of this cream cheese, Philadelphia regular cream cheese, non-flavored. I'm going to wish it had thawed just a little bit more, or not thawed, but gotten to room temperature a little bit more. Throw one of our Nathans Clausals on here. And we're going to put some of this bacon bourbon relish that I made. It's actually, I call it the BTG, Behind the Garage Barbecue, Craig. I got his idea from his bacon relish, but I added some bourbon to mine just to make it a little bit different. And then we're going to come in here with some jalapeno bacon, again that was cooked on the Weber. Alright, you've seen that one. I'll bring it back here after I make the second one. Alright, got my pictures. So, jalapeno bacon, cream cheese, Nathans Clausals with a bourbon bacon relish, Sriracha sauce, and a little bit of lemon zest. I love lemon zest anymore. I did say cream cheese. There ain't no way. Oh, and I roasted on the very bottom is a roasted Poblano pepper. Alright, there you go. What say you? I say it looks pretty daggone good myself. Alright, I'm back. Now that there was a hot dog, a Nathans Clausal beef frank, a roasted Poblano pepper, cream cheese, jalapeno bacon. What else did I put on that thing? Jalapeno bacon, a bacon bourbon relish, Sriracha, and let's see what else was it on there, lemon zest. If you haven't tried lemon zest, give it another try, or give it a try for the first time. I'm telling you, lemon zest just makes hot stuff, just takes it up a level. It's excellent, can't explain it. So there you go. My name is Lance. I'm sleeperbbq from St. Mary's County, Maryland. And we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the hot dog. I know I did. And we'll catch you next time. Thank you.